Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to learn how to add an additional email campaign into an existing email sequence. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go to the top menu, and I'm going to click Campaigns, and then I'm going to click Email Sequence. This screen gives me all of my email sequences that I currently have, and I'm going to choose to edit Shelley's first email sequence. I'm going to go all the way to the right, and I'm going to choose the gear that says Sequence Campaigns. That gives me all of the emails that are currently available in this sequence. And remember, we're wanting to add an email campaign into this sequence. So all I do is click Add Email, and it's going to add a brand new email into the sequence. Right here is the new one. You can see that it hasn't been officially named yet. So I'm going to click on that to activate it. And right here you can see I'm in that fourth email. And I'm going to go ahead and rename the campaign name. I've renamed it Fourth Email, and this is going to be delivered on the 6th day. Now I'm going to change the subject. And I changed the subject name to Lesson 4 of your email course. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to edit my email. And I've made a few changes to the content of my email, including I added a few pictures and some additional content. So now I need to make sure that I have my email set on a specific day that I want it to send. So I'm going to click 0 days, and I'm going to choose to send this one after the subscriber is added to the subscriber list, and I'm going to send it on day 6, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. And now I've got my fourth email going out on the 6th day after the individual subscribes to our subscriber list. And now I need to make sure to click Activate. So now I have 4 emails in this sequence. Each one is going out on a specific day, and each one is activated. If I wanted any of these emails to stop sending, all I'd have to do is click the pause button, and it would no longer send to the subscriber list. So now that I've added my email campaign, I've set the day that it's going to go out, and I've activated, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click Done. And now I've got a summary of my email sequence, and you can see that the fourth email has been added along with the exact day that it's going to go out after the user subscribes. This email has also been activated, and it'll give me some general analytics, which of course are at 0 because we haven't sent any emails out yet. And don't forget, we've got some general analytics of our subscriber list as well. Now, if there was anything else that we needed to edit on this email sequence, all I'd have to do is go up to this button on the top left-hand side that said Edit this sequence. I don't need to edit anything, so I'm going to click the blue button on the right-hand side that says Dashboard, and this will take me back to the main dashboard in Mailing Boss. That's how you add a new email campaign into an existing email sequence in Mailing Boss.